What up, what up, what up? Welcome back to another day, another episode. It's not the warmest day, it's not the coldest day. It's probably about 35 degrees. It might get up to 40 today. And first ride out, Ruthie in her armor, yo. Check it out. I don't know if you can see that or not, but we got the full case took up on her Anarchy Nation. We doing the dang thing, baby. We doing it. Look, hit them up if you want one. I know I'm trying to throw some pictures up right here of it. Uh, yeah. Thought this place might be like mine, where a little walk around on the side. There's a will, there is a way, baby. There they are. What up, though? How y'all doing? What's up, doggy? How you been? Pride wasn't bad. Check this humdinger out. I don't know if y'all seen her yet. No, y'all did see her so far. This is the one that looped in the one video. But she's pretty. But this is the one that's getting some work today. Not too shabby. Well, take my helmet off, get settled in, and see y'all with some footage with some work. Well, the Grom's back together. What? And he's going for a test ride. Oh, wait, there's another Grom. How's she feel?
I like it.
Yeah.
I'm going to know a lot more after I get some miles on it.
Storage unit squad. This man don't know how to stay on camera. So you get the cage, you get a little bit more courage.
A few moments later.